Making money online without investment is a popular goal for many beginners looking to start their online journey. Here are the top 3 methods to achieve this in 2024. Method 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is an excellent way to start making money online using your existing skills. These are the steps you need to follow to start your freelancing journey. 1. Identify your skills. Determine what services you can offer, such as writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, or virtual assistants. 2. Create a portfolio. Compile examples of your work. If you're just starting, create sample projects to showcase your skills. 3. Join freelance platforms. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Complete your profile with detailed descriptions of your services. 4. Apply for jobs. Start bidding on projects or gigs that match your skills. Customize your proposals to highlight how you can solve the client's problem. 5. Deliver quality work. Ensure you meet deadlines and provide high-quality work to build a good reputation. 6. Request reviews and testimonials. Positive feedback will help you attract more clients and higher-paying jobs. Method number 2. Content creation. Creating content on platforms like YouTube, blogging, or social media can generate income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Steps. 1. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific topic you're passionate about and that has an audience. 2. Create quality content. Produce engaging, informative, or entertaining content. Consistency is key. 3. Optimize for SEO. Use keywords and SEO best practices to increase your content's visibility. 4. Build an audience. Promote your content through social media. Engage with your audience and collaborate with other creators. 5. Monetize. Once you have a substantial following, monetize through ads, AdSense for YouTube, affiliate marketing for blogs, sponsored content, or selling your own products or services. Method 3. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research is a simple way to earn money without any investment. Steps. 1. Sign up on reputable sites. Register on survey sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vendale Research. 3. Complete your profile. Fill out your profile completely to match with more surveys. 4. Participate regularly. Check the sites daily for new survey opportunities. 5. Cash out. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold, withdraw your earnings via PayPal, gift cards, or other available methods. The conclusion that we get from these methods is that these methods require dedication, consistency, and a bit of patience. By leveraging your skills in freelancing, creating engaging content, or participating in online surveys, you can start making money online without any initial investment.